Hello, this is Guangdong Best Group. We are 24 years best factory, can offer best price and best quality. And today I want to introduce our wholesale main business backpack for you. You can see this one is a high-end business backpack, and you can call it a business backpack, laptop bag. Yes, when you go to the workplace, traveling or business trip, you can use it. It's very convenient for you, and material used high quality nylon material and pure leather. Yes, you can see it's very good quality. And here has some zipper pockets for you. You can put many things inside. And here is a mental zip. We can custom your logo here. And here is a mental logo. Can offer OEM, ODM logo designs. And I can show you the each pocket. You can see it. Here you can put your cell phones. The second one, you can put your documents. And this one, inside had a main pocket and some phone slots and pen slots. Also, you can put your notebook here. And you can see the main pocket is big, large capital seated. Here has two small pockets. You can put your cell phone and power pot. And also you can put your magazines and the laptop. I can show you. You can see. And when you go to the traveling, also you can put some clothes inside. And look at the side. Here has a USB charge, and both sides have one pocket. You can put your umbrella or photos. And look at the back. The back use mesh clothes. This one can big briefs. Yes. And here has a one pocket. That's it. You can put your passport or your cell phone inside. And if you're interested in these products, you can contact us